Find angle ODE below. So we are looking for this angle ODE, which is this angle here. Now, before we can do that, we have to find the value of M first. Now, if you look at these points A and D, we have these two lines coming to the circumference to form angle 6M. In the same way, we have two lines from the same A and D going to the center of the circle. And then they are going to form an angle at the center here, which is on this side of the center. Please, not on this side of the center, but on the opposite side of the center. So if this is 6M angle at the circumference, then the angle at the center has to be the other side. Please, not on this side. So angle at center has to be on this side. And the theorem there says that angle at center is twice that angle at the circumference. So 2 times this is going to give us the angle at the center here. So 2 multiplied by 6M is going to give us 12M. 12M. So that means this angle at this center here is 12M. And then this angle at this other side of the center is 3M. So don't forget that sum of angle at a point is 360 degrees. Sum of angle at a point is 360. So if we add those two angles there, that is 3M plus 12M is equal to 360 degrees. Because the 3M and the 12M together form angle at the point, So that 3M plus 12M is giving us 15M, and that is equal to 360 degrees. So to get the value of M, I divide both sides by 15. Divide this by 15 and also this side by 15. So 15, we cancel 15, and then I'm left with M here. 360 divided by 15 is going to give us 24. So that means the value of M is 24. Now, if we know the value of M now, then we can find this angle here. This angle here. So that angle 6M will be equal to 6 multiplied by 24. And 6 multiplied by 24 is going to give us 144 degrees. So that means this angle here is 144 degrees. So now, the next thing for us to do is to find this angle ODE. Now, I don't want to bother you with finding the angle 3M. We can find the angle 3M, and then we'll now start tracing a line from here to this point so that we can get isosceles triangle here. This is 74. The isosceles triangle on this side will be 74 base angles. And then on this side, I'm also going to get another isosceles base angle that will make this two base angle to be equal. But that is quite long. So I just want us to follow the short method. The short method there is that once you see a diagram like this inside a circle, a quadrilateral coming from the center of the circle like this, once you see a shape like this, what you just need to know, don't waste your time in doing some other sketches. What you just need to know is that this angle ODE, that is this angle, plus the opposite angle to that angle, which is 74, so plus 74. So this angle plus its opposite angle, 74, all together will give you this angle at the circumference here, and that is 144. So from there, we can simply say that OD. So this is just the short method to apply instead of making some sketches. So, and then by the time we make some sketch, we're also going to find the value of 3M, and that will be longer. So the shorter method is just to use this idea here, and then we have to get ODE as 144 here, and then this plus 74, if it comes to this side, it becomes minus 74. So I can finally conclude by saying that ODE is equal to 144 minus 74 will give us 70 degree as the final answer. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, share, and join for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.